Know how every social media guru or a coach is telling you to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things that you hear everywhere, but it's the same thing. So you apply the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things, wherever it might be, like, oh, post whenever your followers are active. Make sure you let all your posts expire on the stories and then post it again. Like, nothing really changes. What if no one really knows the truth? Everyone's speculating about, oh, what they think is working based on their followers and their engagement. What if someone saw a video from, let's say, a social media influencer somewhere on YouTube or Instagram, and then their followers trying to say the same thing, and their followers try to say the same thing? You see where I'm going with this? So one day, I decided to do everything the opposite of what the social media gurus say. And you know what happened? I kind of got better results when I didn't follow what I was learning from all the social media gurus that are talking on all the social media platforms. I posted when my followers were not active, and coincidentally got more views than the videos that I posted when my followers were active. I didn't let my stories expire and then post again because I didn't see so much difference. So I'm like, if people are watching, keep posting. Why am I going to stop and wait 24 hours? Basically missing engagement. You're missing potential people seeing your story, seeing your call to action, going to your website. Why do you have to wait? The bottom line is, just because someone is saying something or you're hearing something, that doesn't mean it will apply to you, your business, your target audience. The only way for you to grow on social media, grow your followers, grow your community, is to practice and analyze your data. Why did the video go viral? What it had, what it didn't have? And comment what is something you did the opposite and turned actually a success.